Hey guys, Jackson's Inflatable channel here. This is. I hope this uploads. This is my 3 or 4 foot off-brand. This is not a Gemmy. This is an inflatable Halloween cat, and this inflatable is very cool, as you're about to see. Let me inflate it real quick. This is the 4th time trying to record this. My phone keeps running out of storage for no apparent reason. Okay. Cool. This inflatable is very cool. It's very unique. Now, his eyes were already like this when I got it brand new. I did not do this. This is from the manufacturer, and he also has, they're not LEDs, but he has 3 Christmas bulbs, one right in his head, one in his stomach, and one down there. And let me turn it off real quick so you can see it. The lights. You can't see it on camera, but I can see it. One right there, and one down there. So yeah, guys. This inflatable is pretty cool. So yeah, guys, thanks for watching, and bye.